Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are good. I welcome you all in your first class of phonics sound and letter. Dear students, this is your sound and letter book 1. We will learn 4 sound in this book. So let's start our lesson. Dear students, say the sound. Dear students, put your finger on the alphabet and trace it with your finger. You have to put your index finger on the alphabet. S, 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 s as in sun. S as in sun. S as in sun. Dear students, here is a flashcard of your sound. S, s, as in sun. Have you seen sun on the sky? Of course, yes. You have seen. S as in sun. S as in sun. Dear students, this is your today's lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.